ChatGPT, please generate 12-minute video scripts on 4 industrial revolutions with compressive description and many interesting milestone stories as possible. Hello. I'd be happy to generate a 12-minute video script on the 4 industrial revolutions. Here's the script. Introduction. The world has undergone 4 major industrial revolutions, each one revolutionizing the way we live, work, and communicate. In this video, we will explore each of these revolutions, their defining characteristics, and the major milestones that have shaped our world. First Industrial Revolution. The first Industrial Revolution began in the late 18th century and lasted until the mid-19th century. It was characterized by the shift from manual labor to machine-based manufacturing. This revolution started in Britain, where inventors created machines that could perform tasks faster and more efficiently than humans. One of the most important inventions of this time was the steam engine, which powered factories and transportation. Another key development was the cotton gin, which revolutionized textile production. One of the most interesting stories from this era is the creation of the spinning jenny. In 1764, James Hargreaves, a weaver from Lancashire, England, created a machine that could spin 8 threads at once. This machine allowed textile production to increase dramatically, leading to the creation of factories and the growth of the industrial economy. Second Industrial Revolution. The Second Industrial Revolution began in the mid-19th century and lasted until the early 20th century. It was characterized by the widespread use of electricity and the development of mass production techniques. This revolution started in the United States, where inventors like Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla created new technologies that transformed society. The development of the assembly line and the introduction of standardized parts allowed for the mass production of goods, leading to the rise of consumer culture. One of the most interesting stories from this era is the creation of the light bulb. In 1879, Thomas Edison invented a practical and durable electric light bulb, which would become one of the most important inventions of the modern era. This invention allowed people to work and live in environments that were previously impossible, and it paved the way for the widespread use of electricity. Third Industrial Revolution. The Third Industrial Revolution began in the mid-20th century and is ongoing. It is characterized by the rise of digital technology and the widespread use of computers. This revolution started in the United States and quickly spread to the rest of the world. The development of the internet and the creation of personal computers transformed the way we communicate and work. One of the most interesting stories from this era is the creation of the first personal computer. In 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak created the Apple I, which was the first personal computer to be sold commercially. This invention allowed individuals to have access to computing power, paving the way for the development of the modern technology industry. Fourth Industrial Revolution. The Fourth Industrial Revolution is currently underway and is characterized by the integration of artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things into the manufacturing process. This revolution is expected to lead to the creation of smart factories and the automation of many jobs. It is also expected to transform the way we interact with technology and the world around us. One of the most interesting stories from this era is the creation of the first self-driving car. In 2004, a team of engineers from Stanford University created a car that could drive itself using sensors and cameras. This invention has the potential to transform the way we travel and could lead to a future where cars are safer and more efficient. Conclusion. The 4 industrial revolutions have transformed our world in countless ways, from the way we work to the way we communicate. Each revolution has been characterized by the development of new technologies that have allowed us to do more with less. As we enter the 4th Industrial Revolution, it is important to remember the lessons of the past and to embrace the opportunities that the future holds.